Yo, what's good? It's a Kuma 392, a Kuma Z06, a Kuma Hellkeezy.
I'm out here trying to get these toys for the tots, you feel me?
She out here trying to get the toys for the tots, you feel me? Bro, what you doing, bro?
Talk to him, Flip.
Go, little rock star.
But what was you saying about Flip car?
Oh, wow.
He's getting teeth brush.
He's getting teeth brush?
Yeah.
Why you say that?
His teeth in the front of the grill.
Oh, let's go look at his teeth real quick.
Look, he getting brushed. Hey, you gonna brush the teeth for him too?
The teeth got you? Oh, man.
Yeah, them teeth white as shit now.
When the last time you brushed your teeth?
Them teeth brushed as shit.
When the last time you brushed your teeth, bro?
Look, calm down.
Them things look kind of clean. I ain't never seen Shadow this clean before.
Hey, yo, you better tip him, yo.
Yeah, I think you should just charge him 75
Facts.
at this point.
100.
I ain't doing you like that, bro.
He did.
Because I don't wash my car.
He don't. He
Like, I really don't.
He ain't washed it since he bought it.
Yeah?
That's crazy.
I forgot there was even that color.
We can't even get pictures and shit because you had to get it washed down.
Yeah, like when the last time I did a video edit
You
for
must have
you?
been here to get your wash down.
It's been a minute.
God.
That's crazy.
It's literally getting washed
Spider
right
webs
now.
off for you. He dusting off the spider
I
webs.
haven't seen Red Sonic in a minute.
Hey Jay,
Hey, shit.
he's washing off the spider webs for him.
I signed this car like 3 months ago.
Yeah.
Spider-Man that shit.
Not Superman, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man that joint.
Hey, bro, you know
I'm
you
saying.
cars and money, bro. It's still dust at the top of the.
This is what happened when you the most popular in the group.
Yeah, I bet.
Hey, this is all.
I bet you that Amy gonna still be written in it.
This is all Flip's dirt from his car.
No, boy, look how dirty that joint.
God
That's
damn,
kind of
bro.
brown. Man, I just stuck that too.
bro.
That's
Hey, yo, that's low as fuck. So
look at all that dirt under the tire. I'm sorry.
hey, Flip,
No.
that's low as fuck. Ain't gonna go away though. It's gonna stay. So I'll let you know.
What you say?
Nemesis all day, man.
You say you thought his exhaust system was silver? Nah, the red Sonic.
Been there last night, then.
The red Sonic lit.
That shit was ugly last night. Hey, yo, you don't give much respect to Shadow like that, yo. That's crazy. I like
said-
Shadow better than Sonic. Just saying. As a character, not as him. Just as a character.
Damn, that's crazy. Let's go look at Amy Rose real quick. The famous Rose
No,
Gold.
I ain't famous nothing.
Damn, he had to bring the toothbrush out.
Oh my god, that's a toothbrush.
Hey, look, you did on mine.
Oh
Yeah,
my god.
Look at all this.
Look at the toothbrush.
Content that I'm giving you.
Look at
right
it.
now.
Look at I haven't
The teeth.
brushing the teeth. Nah, that stuff ain't coming off. That's
Damn, bro.
yeah,
Damn.
that stuff stuck on there.
You gotta get grills from him, bro.
God damn, they're not cavities.
We got Mr. Bandit 707,
I got the capacity.
6.2 fleet. Got my boy Nelson 392, Mrs. and Mo Dodge, Mo Mods, Predator out here looking sweet. Then we got a Cooper 392, you already know who that is, that's me. Then we got Amy Rose herself. And we got my boy Commando, y'all seen him in the pit. Crazy part is we all just got our car washed and it's actually raining right now, that's the crazy part.
Yes, sir. Yeah, out here with the gang. Preparing myself for you. With the gang. He trying to play me right now. He trying to play me.
We doing a coat and toy donation.
Yeah, y'all done?
He the fade.
Yeah, like we all.
He the fade. He the fade. He the fade. We gotta get out of here.
Put into the drive.
Yo, what's good? It's a Kuma 392. Kuma Z06.
I ain't doing intro. You want to do intro?
Whatever you want to call it.
You want to do my intro?
That was I was doing the
Yeah, start. Are you ready?
You know, we out here. You know, you see Big Shadow. The nigga ain't been clean in like years. You feel me?
That nigga clean the shit now though. Next to the model. You know who the fucking model Mike is.
What we
Come on,
talking
come on.
about? How you brush
We're
your
gonna
teeth?
go see. Don't worry about her. Don't worry about her.
Hey, he brushed his teeth.
Don't worry about her. Don't worry. On that video right there, you see the pink lights. That's nice. Alright, this is Mike right here, you feel me? Wide body Majin. I don't really fuck with wide bodies like that, but it's cute, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we're gonna come to this motherfucking magnificent beast right here. You see this? Oh my god. Big Shadow right there. Big Nemesis right there. That's fucking Shadow, y'all motherfuckers. That's not no fucking Red Sonic. That's fucking Shadow. Alright, we're gonna come to this one. Look at that. Hashtag no hands. Big swinger. That's Commando right there, you feel me? Hey, this gold is fire.
Yeah, that ain't sweet.
Alright, this Nikki. Put it in her kidney. Big Amy right here. This is cute. You know, Kuma 392 Z06, Hell Keezy, you know, whatever you want to fucking call it. You know, red, purple. Purple can drive, red swing. You feel me?
No, it should be the other way. Red
All
drive,
right.
purple swing.
Hey, you know what it is. You know what it is. Mo mods, Mo dodge, however you want to call it. You feel me?
Hey, whoever
Hey, Big Smoke Show. That Nelson right there. AKA Neltron, you feel me? Alright. Big Hell Keezy. Hey, Big Fleet. You feel me? Big Hell Keezy is Bandit himself. It's cute. It's okay. But as we can all agree, Shadow is the best jump right there. I'm out.
Come on, chill with me. Let's go check out the cars though. Y'all should put them in order. Why you didn't put the wide bodies with the wide bodies?
I don't know, man. They can't park.
We got the model of the group right here. Most followers. Model of the group right here, shorty. He going viral every day. Check him on your Explore page. You got slow ass Shadow over here. That's my man's though. We brushed his teeth today. Look at that. Bam. Look at that. Clean today. Clean teeth. Hey Shadow, we cleaned your teeth today. We got Commando here, man. Commando, he bluffing. I don't know why he with Philly. You know he should be in DMV, but you know. He clean and white. He no hands, but I don't know what he's using no hands on. Then you got my baby right here for real. This right here is the pink monster right here. Pretty and thick. Your boyfriend favorite charger on the back. Cause I'm a lot of these bitches favorite chargers. I'm trying to tell you. You got Kuma here. He represents our flag the best. Every time he swing, he got the flag out. Commando be bluffing. He don't never got the flag out. That's crazy. You got the Predator right here. That's the only married couple I know. Right here, shorty. Right here, always family based. With a nice little band right here. I don't know this man. Oh, yeah, just met him today, real quiet, but he seemed real cool and shit. I like the Sonic Gray. Sonic Gray pretty dope. I like that. But you need your windshield tint.
It is in it.
Darker. Now we down here to the Hellcats, baby. The big money group right here, shorty. I don't even remember that man's name because I always talk to these people about Hellcats. So I know him by Hellcats. That's how I know him. Oh yeah, 6.2 Fleet. See, Hellcats. He be quiet as shit, but he cool. His mother got the mother got the personality, man. He makes the group. And then you got your man Jay right here, big boy Jay, Mr. Bandit 707. Yo, he got the cleanest Hellcat I ever seen. Like that shit's so clean, so classic. But it'd be so dope all in one. I'm trying to get like him. I told him not to park next to me. That's the first time I met him.
Bro. Back up, bro. Back up.
You vandalizing it.
I'm not vandalizing anything.
Dang, hold up. The disrespect?
I'm gonna put it all in one trunk.
There we go, making that happen. Nemesis Toy Drive, yes sir.
This your boy Marge coming to you live, you know, the big M. See what we got right here? The wide body right here. When you see that, you see me. You know, you got the tribal right here. That's my favorite look, you know. I'm in the Lions, so I had to get my favorite line on the car. Plus I do music, so lines and music, that's all me. Then red and black, my favorite color. Hold up. Gotta get the back. Gotta get it back. You see this? It's everywhere. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Yes. King Margin, yes. You know, the red and black insides with the SRT steering wheel. Stole from a Hellcat.
Oh, wait, I ain't
Stole from a Hellcat.
Okay. It smells sweet. I like it.
Yes. Then we got Mr. Gang, Mr. Shadow Man, Mr. Spider-Man himself. Yes, sir. We got the Nemesis Auto Club, the best club in the DMV. You know, we got Mr. Shadow. Hey. You know, one of the best swingers in the DMV. Mr. Commando himself. No hands on it. No hands on it. All white, everything. We got Amy right there. One of the best Sonic characters.
Hey, model, someone likes your car?
You know, it's just looking sweet. Oh, look at this though. Your boyfriend favorite charger. That's some tough shit right there. That thing looking crazy, G. You know what it is. You know what it is. Predator himself. Mopar. You know, got the Predator. Boy, I'm trying to tell you that joint looking sweet. You know what it is. My man Nelson, you know what I'm saying? This color looking sweet. He keeping it plain for right now, which I can respect. Mr. Fast Guy himself running 7 seconds down the track. My boy Fleet. Woo. Big SRT. Yes, sir. And you know, the president himself. The bandit.
How long you took?
You know, bring it all white and black. White and black. You know, we got the toys in the back for the kids. Shit looking crazy. I had to do a little quick running around for the game, showing y'all the cars and all that. So just stay tuned. We got some stuff coming up. Akuma, keep doing your thing, baby boy.
Yes, sir.
Factual, bro. I kicked that shit off, bro. I was the king of cuts, bro. The king of fucking cuts, bro. Then my man Mike came in.
I'm the first people to come out here and do
He
this.
put in that motherfucking work. You feel me? So I don't have a problem stamping that. He can have the throne, bro. He can have that #1, bro. I kicked it off, bro. Nigga, I'm #2. There's no tie, there's no third, there's no fourth, there's no fifth, there's no nothing. Nigga, like, I'm second, nigga. Yeah, me, Mr. Bandit 707. I had the original Scat. It's me, nigga. I was second. I am still second. Okay? Okay? Then third goes to my man Flip, because he definitely fucked shit up. He's third. Okay?
You feel me?
He's third. Okay? Cruddy is new to the gang, bruh.
But
okay,
Jay, give Real his props,
I'm giving
bro.
Real
You
his
can drive,
listen,
bro.
With a lot of confidence.
Listen,